Hello, this is Bo Kauffmann of Remax in Winnipeg with your real estate news for Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. Today is the first day of Passover, National Deep Dish Pizza Day, and fittingly, National Walking Day. The largest oceanfront single-family property in Miami came back on the market on Tuesday. They tried selling this thing last year, and despite the jaw-dropping $100 million price tag, the 1.5-acre estate is actually being marketed as a teardown. But bonus, the new owner will receive approved plans for a new 10-bedroom, 30,000 square foot home. Construction price is not included. The current owners are Edith Newman and her late husband Joel, founders of Craig Electronics. They've owned this since 1995, and it had been custom built with 9 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms across nearly 26,000 square feet. Golden Beach is known as a very upscale community with a small population of approximately 364 households. Celebrity residents like Bill Gates and Eric Clapton could be your neighbor. Meanwhile, back in reality, the largest home on the market in Winnipeg is a 5,900 square foot 2-story home in East St. Paul. Built in 2002, it is currently asking $2.5 million. It's been on the market for 81 days. And the most expensive house in Winnipeg is a newly listed 4,400 square foot 2-story home in Tuxedo, built just last year and asking $4.2 million. To see these or any other house or condo on the market, contact me anytime. That's Bo with Remax at 204-333-2202. Till next time, bye-bye. Are you interested in more in-depth real estate information? Download our free podcast app available for iOS and Android devices by going to bonos.homes/apps. Also, you can receive daily briefings on Alexa by going to bonos.homes/Alexa.